Hi. In this video, I will trade USD CAD using support and resistance strategy. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. If you liked this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for the more latest videos.
Disclaimer: the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Stocks, Forex, and other financial markets have large potential rewards, but also have a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in these markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy, sell. No account representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed in this video. You should be aware of all the risks associated with trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts.
I will trade using the 1-minute time frame. I am looking for support and resistance. I selected the 5 minutes time frame to be able to see as much details as possible. I can see now the resistance and marked it with orange horizontal line, so I won't miss it. Now, I went back to 1-minute chart to look for better entry. I will execute a sell order, because the price is now closer to resistance area. But before executing, I want to see the pip distance from the bottom of the candle formation up to the top. As I checked, I found out that the pips distance is almost 500 pips. And the retracement is only around 100 pips, means it's not even half of the 500 pips. A bigger chance that it will pull back this time a lot deeper. I will check the pips distance from top of the candle formation, and from the price to the resistance. And all the measurements I made, all the distances are acceptable for me to execute a sell order. And now I will mark the support area, so I won't miss it. Inspecting the candle colors, mostly are green from the bottom going to the top, then red candles are repopulating. I will check the pip distance from the top of the resistance up to the support, just to give me a sense of security that the price moved considerably, and it might give a better pullback. I will measure the distance from the nearest support, up to the entry point, checking if this will be an easy money execution. And the distance is almost 200 pips, not bad for a few minutes of trading. I think this is going to be an easy money trading scalping without stress for a few minutes on the game. I will check the distance between the position to the nearest support, and it's around 80 pips only. I will measure the distance between the nearest support and my target price. Why I measured the distance from my entry point to the nearest support, for me to check that the pips are not yet enough for most of the sellers to take profit. Some sellers will take profit, but not all of them like me. And now, measuring the support distance up to my target point. But before that, don't forget the like and subscribe, and ring the bell icon to notify you if I have new videos. As you can see, the price bounced up from the support that I established, or marked. As you can see, the price respected the resistance. And the buyer wasn't able to push the price higher, because the sellers are coming in. The price dropped from the resistance. As you can see, the price broke down, and buyers were not able to defend the support. The reason I think is because not so much sellers or scalpers are taking profit. The reason is, there are enough pips yet, or profit for them to get out of the game. As we notice, the support that turned resistance, because of price broke down, is now being respected. My target price is the 200 moving average, represented by the red line, or $20 profit, whichever comes first. Now, I will close my sell position. As a scalper, we should try to avoid to be greedy. That is the most common reason of profit turning into a loss. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching Spot Trader. You can send a message to FB page ph.1spottrader.